racing out here, Ryder. Callie's up there.
I can try to get her, Ryder.
That's a long way up for you and your ladder. It'll be easier if Callie tries to climb into Sky's pet carrier.
I can help too, Ryder.
I know you can, Alex. But right now, let's see if Sky can get Callie. Okay, Sky.